Continuing our look into risk treatment options, today we take a closer look at part 3, risk transfer. So how does risk transfer fit in as a risk treatment option? This is, as the name would suggest, when you transfer the risk from yourself to a third party. So how does risk transfer fit in as a risk treatment option? This is, as the name would suggest, when you transfer the risk from yourself to a third party. Now, we've briefly spoken about risk transfer in the past, namely one in particular, that is insurance. Simply put, you pay a premium and in return, the risk is transferred to the insurer, who will cover the cost of the risk should it occur. But this is not the only risk transfer option available to us. You are also able to transfer risks to a third party through the use of a contract. Let's say you're a landlord. You can, through your rental agreement, transfer risks to your tenant. For example, the liabilities arising out of someone hurting themselves on your property. You may also transfer the exposure of something damaging your building to the tenant. This could come in the form of a requirement that the tenant insure the building themselves. While this is a valid option, it does have some pitfalls from both sides. From the landlord's side, you can never be totally sure that the tenant has fully and correctly insured the building. And from the tenant's side, you could easily take on exposures that A, you could not insure for, or B, you did not realise you've accepted. To learn more about this, we'll put a link to a free ebook on contract review in the description. Risk transfer options do not end there. You can also transfer a particular risk to a third party by outsourcing the task to them. For example, let's say you're a manufacturer of widgets. The manufacturing of one part of the widget may present a significant fire risk. As such, you decide that while you wish to continue to manufacture the product, that particular component is just too much of a risk for you to accept yourself. And as such, you outsource the manufacturing of that component to a third party. This would allow you to continue to manufacture and distribute your widget without the added fire risk, which has now been transferred to the third party. As you can see, insurance only makes up one option under risk transfer. Click here for another video we did, give us a thumbs up if you found this helpful, comment with more stuff you want to know about, and for more demystified insurance jargon, click that subscribe button.